Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with part 3, the last part of the series that I was doing on how many cards I can make with one Echo Park paper pack, and the answer is 51 cards and 6 tags, and this is what I have left. So of all of that, this is the scraps that I have left. So pretty good. So let me show you the last 2 cards that I made. I had this deer paper left, so I was able to make 4 cards using this paper along with this stamp set, which was actually a little freebie. It was a little freebie stamp set from My Favorite Things. I had placed an order, and that was a freebie that they had. And then I was able to make 4 cards using this paper. It's really pretty paper. And this is a Bo Bunny stamp set that I got from Tuesday Morning. It's this one right here. So I was able to make those, and then I was able to make some very simple tags. So I'm going to show you how I packaged them up just using scraps. So these bags, they've got a gusset. So I got these from Daiso, and they were $1.50. They came with 25 of them, and they're pretty good size. Probably 6 by 9, I think it is, but they have a gusset, so they can hold quite a bit. So in here are 8 cards, 8 envelopes, and 1 tag. And this is what I did with the tag. I just adhered this circle tag that I got from Target on, my tag. And then the back side of it has a to from, and then I just tied some cording and some ribbon, and it's all done. So as far as the topper, they're all kind of different sizes, only because I was basically using the scraps that I had. So this is the first one, and I also used pieces from Tuesday Morning to just quickly decorate those. So here's this one. This one. You can see all the different tags. This one. And then this one. So I was able to make 6 gifts for coworkers. And so on my desk right now, I have ephemera from Merry Days along with some Merry Days scraps. I also have another 6 by 8 paper pad from the Merry Days. And so that's going to be one of my next projects, is to go ahead and use up that ephemera and make some quick cards, because I've got a friend that I would like to make a little card pack for, who is Jewish. She doesn't obviously celebrate Christmas, and so I wanted to make her some sort of note cards. And a lot of the paper, and I might use the note cards also from Merry Days, but a lot of the paper in that is not super holiday. It's like winter, or it's very it doesn't scream Christmas. So I thought they'd make really cute note cards that I can make for her. So anyway, that's my next project, and see what I can come up with. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.